There's a lot of value for WFM users when we start applying AI and machine learning. If you just look at the basics with forecasting, we analyze a lot of data, big data sets, but we sort of have a predefined way of analyzing it, saying that a Monday should look like Monday, Tuesday like Tuesday, the third of the month should look like the third of the month, and so on. And we put that pattern on all our customers. When we start looking at the data and analyze it, we find more customer-specific patterns that might be hard for a human being to see. But using machine learning, we can find that, and the model will learn, and we will get more customer-specific patterns that we didn't have before.
I think it's nice that you get better and better results over time as well.
Yeah,
that's a really important part of machine learning and AI. That the more data you have, the better it will get.
Teleopti has always been sort of best in class when it comes to user experience for these kinds of systems, and AI and machine learning help us to stay in that position, or actually become even better by using the data we can collect from our users and analyze that and make an even better experience.
And let the users make more informed decisions, where we actually can make life easier just by supplying some better default selections.
And of course, also the tools available nowadays help us to build this. If we look, in our case, we use Microsoft Azure and their services for machine learning and AI. Our vision is being best at what we do, be the best WFM system in the world, and I think AI and machine learning will help us with that. Of course, we see so many use cases, and we just have to embrace it and build cool stuff on it, and will help us stay best in class.
That you see that you can actually use data we have in our system to drive this kind of shift in mindset for how you work with your functionality. Previously, you had to program each and every case. Now you can more or less throw data at the problem, and it will kind of figure a good way out, find the common patterns within the data to actually help you deliver better solutions in the end. I think that's really interesting, and it takes some time to get into that mode where you kind of can see, if I take this piece of data, the computer can kind of recognize the patterns and we can use it for something else. So you need to shift your mindset to be able to recognize the patterns, or can see where you can use this tool in the toolbox for solving problems. I think the biggest challenge is to kind of recognize when you have something where you can apply AI or machine learning to help solve this problem that you're working with. As we're working with prototypes and design decisions during development, you need to know that you have that tool available in the toolbox to solve these kind of problems. I think that's the biggest challenge, to kind of recognize where you can apply this approach.
Yeah, I think and also know when you shouldn't. Because a lot of the times you're placed in front of a very specific problem, and then it's probably faster and better to just create a specific solution for that rather than use a general machine learning algorithm.
Yeah, it's not a silver bullet.
No.
It's another way of approaching a problem area. I think if we can find solutions based on the data rather than on kind of setting the requirements on forehand, we can create a good and generic solution that can suit many customers, and we can narrow it down and make it tailored for each customer. I think that's really good. We can tailor things based on your data, but it's not the same solution that we applied like we've done before.
I think a big thing would be to simplify the user interface, make it cleaner, probably remove a lot of stuff, to not have an interface at all. More things happening in the background. use chatbots for different tasks instead of having like forms you should fill in and submit. That I think would be a huge improvement.
Yeah, and I think our agile mindset will kind of open up new opportunities to use this tool to create even better user experience in the future.